Longford, Tasmania, probably about an hour out of Launceston, and this is our site for the next 4 nights. So it's pay 3, stay 4, and this is not a little bad little spot.
There's a kind of peace moving every couple years, packing up and finding a new home.
We're going to go into Launceston now, and we're going to check out this country club casino. So we're here at the Lynx buffet restaurant, about $30 for all you can eat. Plenty of food to choose from. We've got the roast lamb, I think it is today. If you're ever here at the Lynx restaurant, check out the dessert bar. Huge array of ice creams and chocolates and cakes. Alright, let's have a look at this. Some caramel thing, pav, chocolatey thing, and ice cream. I haven't had it in a bowl like that for a long time. So I've decided to go with whatever this is. It's like custard with chocolate mousse and a cherry on top. It's a Jaffa.
An orange.
It's an orange Jaffa. Alright, I reckon it's time to head off from the restaurant. Thanks very much, guys. What's it cost us? About $70 or something for 2 meals and a couple of drinks. Alright, we're going to go and check out the casino. Alright, now time to head in the car, and we're going to head up to Jacob's Ladder. Supposed to be one of the steepest, narrowest roads in Australia, if not the world. So yeah, looking forward to this trip up the mountain.
Where's the top? How far?
The top would be up there somewhere. Yeah, there goes the road right up the top there, then around, and probably up across the top.
Oh, there.
Oh yeah, there's the viewing platform. Huh.
With every turn, the earth unfolds, mystic cliffs and stories told.
This is the one.
Oh, this is it. This is what you've been
No, I haven't.
looking at down there.
Sorry, Andrew.
I'm saying over at this side as far as I can. Well, I haven't seen a car, so far so
Hear the mountains ancient call, step by step, heart open wide. On Jacob's ladder we will ride.
Fuck, this is amazing.
The rocks stand still, a journey forged by strength of will. Snow-capped peaks in distant view, a wilderness so raw and true. The bends are sharp, the climb is slow, but all the heights will come to know. With every twist a tale to share of those who dare to venture there. Climb Jacob's ladder, feel the air, the world below beyond compare. Through the mist and mountains grace, we'll find our way in this wild place. Climb Jacob's ladder, rise so tall.
Wow.
Hear the mountains ancient call. Step by step, heart open wide. On Jacob's ladder we will ride. For those who seek a place where only eagles speak, Above the clouds we'll find our peace. In nature's arms our souls released. Climb Jacob's ladder, feel the air. The world below beyond compare. Through the mist and mountains grace, we'll find our way in this wide open place. Climb Jacob's ladder, rise so tall. Hear the mountains' ancient call. Step by step, heart open wide. On Jacob's ladder we will ride.
See why it's snowing, you gotta wear your...
Yeah. We probably came at a good time.
Why?
Well, everyone had be gone. And we've just got to get up to there.
Yeah. Hanging corner.
The wind it howls, the rocks stand still. A journey forged
You know
by
what I'm like
strength
with
of
bike?
will.
I bet it's fucking straight down.
I know.
A wilderness so raw
I'm
and true. The bends are sharp,
knotty in the
climbing
stomach.
slow, but over the
Well, you
heights
knew
we'll
it would
come
be.
to know.
We'd
With
be up
every
high.
twist a tale to share.
I just
Those who dare to venture there. Climb Jacob's ladder, feel the air. The world below beyond compare. Through the mist and mountains grace.
Oh, I knew that.
Oh, there's a
Oh,
waterfall.
there's a waterfall. I hate for it to be busy. Oh, look. Oh, have we? We're nearly there. Oh, I'm looking at the road down there. Watchtower Corner. Oh, there's a big hole.
Oh, all right, we just made it to the top of Jacob's ladder, and I'm gonna pop over here, and there's a viewing platform, and we're gonna go and have a look at it. So that was the drive, and obviously that's it up the back there, and Jacob's ladder thingy. So where is it? Oh. Watchtower and lookout. How'd you get there, Debs? Oh, through here. That's what it says. So. Let's walk through. Oh no. Oh no. What's it like? Okay, so you all know what I'm like with heights. Oh, it's not too bad. Oh, it's, yeah, it's not too bad. All right, I'll walk along here. So just coming up to the viewing platform now, and I'm not sure if I'm gonna, oh, I don't know. I don't like the looks of this, Debs. Freaking hell, there's the road. All right. Viewing platform. Oh, not too bad. Yeah, okay. Not too bad. All right, so that was Jacob's Ladder. Supposed to be the steepest, narrowest road in the world, isn't it? Yeah. Well, that was Jacob's Ladder. Wow, that was an incredible drive. One of the most scariest drives that I have ever done. Anyway, don't forget, you need National Park pass, and by law you've got to carry change, so they're about $40 to pick up down the bottom before you start heading up. Anyway, we're off to Rest Point Hotel Casino in Hobart for 3 nights, so really looking forward to having a nice hot shower and a nice big comfy bed. Anyway, yeah, we'll see you next week. G'day Australia.